Hey everyone, this is Seth, your detail doc. I want to show you guys how we apply a glass coating. So this is Gtechniq G1. This is a 1 to 2 year glass coating. Essentially what it is, you can think about it as like a Rain-X on steroids if you ever used Rain-X before. Over time, reapplying Rain-X is going to degrade your glass over and over again. So we like to use this glass coating. We're working on this 2020 Chevy. We're doing our Elite ceramic coating package on it. I'll show you guys just a little bit on this applicator pad here. And I'm just going to do some circular motions to work in the product. This glass has been polished already to remove any water spots and etchings in the glass, so we polished it out. Use an isopropyl alcohol wipe down, and then we're applying our glass coating. This glass coating is going to make the glass a lot easier to clean, better visibility in bad weather, especially when it's raining out, and it's going to be extremely easy to wash and maintain. It's going to have really great protection on it, just like that. And then we'll do 3 coats of the G1 on the windshield, and then 1 coat on all the rest of the windows. It's going to protect it, seal in the glass, make the glass hydrophobic, better visibility in the rain, and overall just a better cleaning experience for you guys. If you guys have any questions about this process, feel free to shoot me a message. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. This is the glass coating. Thank you guys very much for watching.